Have you ever wondered if there's a way to cover your rent each month without having to work extra hours? Meet Jenny. She's your average 9 to 5 worker with some savings but also some big monthly expenses. Rent, utilities, groceries, they all add up fast. That's when she discovered monthly dividend stocks, investments that could potentially cover her rent with a steady income every month. Today, I'll walk you through Jenny's strategy and show you how these 7 monthly dividend stocks can help create passive income you can count on. Get ready to learn about monthly dividend stocks, why they're so powerful, and how you can choose the right ones to get closer to that rent-free lifestyle. So, what exactly are monthly dividend stocks? These are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders every single month, rather than the usual quarterly or annual dividends most companies offer. They're issued by companies with strong, stable cash flows that commit to regular payouts to their investors. Why are monthly dividend stocks such an attractive choice for people like Jenny? First of all, having a monthly income stream makes it easier to budget. This is especially helpful for anyone using these dividends to cover essential expenses like rent or utilities. Reinvesting monthly dividends can also create a compounding effect, which supercharges your portfolio growth over time. This effect can help you achieve greater financial returns in the long run by reinvesting those monthly payments, ultimately building more wealth. Another reason people love monthly dividend stocks is the peace of mind they offer. You get a consistent income stream without having to sell off your stocks. That's especially valuable for anyone in or near retirement who wants a steady income source without dipping into their savings. How to choose monthly dividend stocks. Now let's talk about how you can select the best monthly dividend stocks. It's easy to look at the dividend yield and get excited, but a high yield isn't everything. Here are the 3 main criteria Jenny used. Dividend yield. This is the percentage of a stock's price paid out in dividends. For instance, if a stock has a 6% yield, you're getting $60 annually for every $1,000 invested. However, extremely high yields often come with higher risk, so aim for a yield that's strong but also sustainable. Financial stability of the company. Look for companies with solid, consistent earnings. The more stable the company, the more reliable its dividend payouts are likely to be. Growth potential. Ideally, you want companies that not only pay dividends but also have the potential to grow in value over time. This way, you're not just earning dividends but also seeing the value of your shares increase. 7 top monthly dividend stocks for beginners. Ready to see the list of 7 monthly dividend stocks Jenny considered for her portfolio? Each of these companies is unique but chosen for their reliability and steady income potential. 1. Realty Income Corporation. Yield, 5%. Known as the monthly dividend company, Realty Income has paid dividends for over 50 years. Its portfolio of commercial properties and stable industries makes it a reliable choice for passive income. Realty Income has not only paid but also increased its dividend over 100 times since it went public. It's one of the safest options on this list for consistent monthly income. 2. Stag Industrial. Yield, 4.5%. Stag focuses on industrial properties, like warehouses that have seen growing demand with the rise of e-commerce. With a steady yield, Stag gives investors monthly income from a sector that's still expanding. This demand keeps Stag's properties in high occupancy, creating reliable cash flow for dividends. 3. AGNC Investment Corp. Yield, 10%. AGNC specializes in mortgage-backed securities, which explains its higher yield. While the sector can be volatile, AGNC has consistently paid monthly dividends, making it an option for those seeking higher income. But keep in mind, higher yields mean more risk, so AGNC may not be for everyone. 4. Main Street Capital. Yield, 86%. Main Street Capital is a business development company that focuses on mid-sized companies. By offering financing to businesses with growth potential, it generates a stable income for its shareholders. Main Street Capital has a steady yield and operates in a sector known for reliable monthly cash flow. 5. Orchid Island Capital. Yield 0.17%. This company invests in residential mortgage-backed securities, offering a high yield. For investors like Jenny, Orchid Island Capital is an option for those who want high returns and can tolerate more risk. Keep in mind, higher yields mean volatility, so this may not be ideal for everyone, but the income potential is strong. 6. Gladstone Capital Corporation. Yield 10%. Gladstone invests in small businesses, providing them with the capital they need to grow. With a monthly yield of around 10%, it's a solid option for investors who want reliable income. Gladstone focuses on stable companies, making its dividend one of the safer high-yield options on this list. 7. EPR Properties. Yield 88%. EPR focuses on entertainment and educational properties. Think amusement parks, cinemas, and educational centers. These businesses generate consistent income, which EPR uses to pay dividends. EPR is unique in its focus and has shown resilience even during downturns, making it a good choice for diversified income. How much do you need to invest? Now let's crunch some numbers. How much do you actually need to invest in these stocks to cover a monthly expense like rent? Say your rent is $1,500 a month. If we average the yields of these stocks at around 8%, you'd need a total of about $225,000 invested to generate that income. Breaking it down, this investment could bring in $1,500 a month or $18,000 annually, which could make a significant dent in your rent or even cover it entirely. And remember, you don't have to start with a huge amount. Investing consistently over time, even if it's a small amount each month, can help you reach that goal. Closing remarks. There you have it. 7 monthly dividend stocks that could help you build a consistent income stream and even cover your rent. Remember, every investment comes with risks, so make sure to do your research or consult a financial advisor before diving in. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on investing for passive income, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us if you're already investing in any of these stocks or if you have others you'd recommend. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial independence.